Na, 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 na. Hello. Welcome to Is It Real? Can It Be Real? Or is it not? Thank you very much. Basically, we're having a discussion this evening whether or not 1 and 1 is 2, or in fact, 1 and 1 could actually be 3. Who's to say it's wrong?
You won't.
Who's to say it's right? But still, can there be a planet that's the size of 170 million suns?
No.
I think in another dimension that it could be. I think it even might be. My mind's open to it, you know. But here we go. Like, this is basically a physicist, a friend of mine. This is Millwall Chris, who basically.
Base people up for fun.
Yes, yeah, absolutely. And he says that no, 1 and 1 is 2, and that no, it can't happen. Chris.
Thank you very much for letting me get a word in edgeways.
That's okay.
What I see it is the laws of physics can't be broken. It's one of them rules. I may be wrong. I'm not. But
so you say you may be wrong.
I'm saying the rules of physics could be wrong in certain,
of course,
in certain ways.
I understand.
But I have to also say that I bet you butt in because you always.
No, of course I won't. Carry on, please.
As far as what you're talking about is, please make me wrong or right. You're saying that you can get a planet that is bigger than a star. Yes, am I correct?
As Newton Einstein.
Einstein,
as Sir Isaac Newton and Sir Einstein said, you know, they've all done so much fantastic things for science and leaps and bounds and everything, but they've always been wrong in one thing.
Are you a politician? Are you dancing?
I'm not so fucking. I'm truthful, dear boy.
How am I dancing around the question?
Yes. I think basically.
Did you not say that a planet can be bigger than a star?
Whoever says that there is no God is a liar. Whoever says there is a God is a liar. Whoever says...
Are you talking about religion now?
Everything. I'm talking about everything.
Are you talking about...
Mind open. Mind open. Hey, is your mind open?
I don't know. I'm listening to what you're saying. Is that open?
Do you think there is a limit?
What, the speed limit?
Yes.
Yeah, it's 300,000 kilometers a second. 186,000 miles a second.
Right. Okay. Okay.
You're gonna
fucking is the mind still open? Right. Okay. You've got to the.
I know what
speed limit.
I know what you're saying. Do we really know if it's?
We don't condone drinking, but I fucking need one.
I'll drink to that. I'll be a pipe. What I think my learned friend is trying to say is maybe sometimes you have to look beyond the laws that you've got. I'm not talking about rape and thieving, but physics, maybe we don't quite know where we're at. But what I'm also trying to say to my learned friend is that 1 plus 1 does equal 2. And there are certain laws that are concrete. Unfortunately,
do you mind if I just interject?
My learned friend that keeps wanting to interject me.
I haven't said anything for the last fucking minute. All right, I need to say this.
20 seconds.
I need to say this.
No.
Basically, yeah, the human race is in its infancy, and we go on leaps and bounds in such a short space of time. So who's to say that what we know now will be literally in about 1,000 years' time, if we survive that long, or even the fucking evening, that it wouldn't double, triple the things that we learn and everything, and that what we know now could be
wrong,
like Stone Age or Bronze Age.
In the Stone Age, even when the dinosaurs were about, if you had one dinosaur and another dinosaur, that equaled 2.
It could have equaled 3 if one had birth straight at the time when they met and it popped out, and then it would go back to 2 when the other one ate the other one, and then you'd have 1.5 because it'd be a baby, and then it might eat the baby as well, and then be 1. But then it might be actually. But then this is what's going to fuck your head up. Because it's eaten the other one and the other one. Then it becomes 1.5, which makes it 1.5. 2.5. Sorry.
Now you're just being pedantic.
No, I'm being facetious.
You're being facetiously pedantic.
Yeah.
So you just proved your own point there. You're actually being 2 things in at the same time.
That's because who said men can't do multitasking? You know,
1 + 1 = 2. I don't care how old you are.
So if I said to you 1 and 1, so if I said to you 1 and 1 makes 3,
I'll tell you to go fuck yourself.
Right? Who apart from the most brilliant minds that have ever lived, apart from them, whatever, in about 3,000 years' time, who's going to? Do you know what? 1 and 1 is actually 3.
It won't happen.
But how do you know?
Because I know that 1 + 2 = 3.
But how do you know?
It's basically you fucking lunatic.
How do you know? But how do you know? Look, 1 and 1 makes 3. Yeah, see, I know what the fuck I'm talking about.
You know what?
Cold beans ain't hot.
Probably not.
Especially when it's not.
But you have got something called critical mass, and if you have got a mass which is, you won't shut up, will you?
Do you know what? I normally go rah, 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 rah. I've actually been quiet for the last fucking how long? What time we on?
10 milliseconds.
Like 1 minute I've been. Okay, go on, go.
Something called critical mass, where you have got a certain amount of mass, which means that you will get stabbed in the face with my beer. You know how much I love my beer? That's how much I've got left. I've got fuck.
We'll have to do it that side, just so it fucking hits the bottle.
Jackal is looking fantastic right now. But listen, let's get technical, right? If a star burns because of something called critical mass, where it has
hydrogen, nuclear fusion, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, hydrogen, obviously. The most basic element in the universe. And it has got so much gravity because there's so much of it that it compresses itself so much that they fuse together. Yes. And they fuse to make 1 hydrogen atom. Sorry, 1 helium atom. Now, there is a little bit of difference between 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 helium atom. And that little bit of difference is the energy that it lets off.
Right, I'll tell you what. Maybe in this dimension, photons. Maybe in this dimension, that is how things work. Okay? Look. That's like half square. That's a circle, right? This is how it works in this dimension. Who's to know? Anyone goes back to anyone that says there is a God, liar. Anyone that says there isn't is a liar. Do you know why? Because you don't know. Anyone that says there aren't other dimensions, lying. Anyone that says there is other dimensions, lying.
Okay.
Who's to know? We don't know. Do you know why? Because we are, as a species, in our infancy. We might find out all. Yeah, I know. Where's the cigarettes?
Well, then you tell me where all the carbon. All the no, not about gumbo.
Well, I'm Mumbo.
It's an interview. No, you're Mungo.
No, I'm Mumbo. You're Gumbo.
No, you're not Mumbo. You're Mungo.
Mungo. Sorry, Mungo. Look, at the end of the day,
you're wrong on what?
It gets dark. But there was something there.
How do you know it gets dark?
No, there was something that
maybe you don't get dark.
No, you had something there, and
every atom in your body.
That's it. We're made of stars. We are made of stars. Okay. We are made of stars.
You go through the elementary table.
I'm a disaster. He's a star. I'm a disaster.
Hydrogen, helium, carbon, oxygen, potassium, lithium. No idea what's after that, but I'm getting pretty.
But that was pretty fucking shit off. I must say. Do you know what? Fucking hell. Fucking.
You can't see me now.
Superb. I can't fucking see fucking nothing.
Yeah, but they all took from being compressed in a very large
star
that is now
in a furnace. Yeah. And then when a star explodes, bang, all the fucking space dust, whatever. It's like the nursery for new stars.
Gravity.
Where the fuck is my cigarettes? I'll tell you what, whoever watches this all the way through, I want to say something now. Yeah?
Shake your hand for not falling asleep.
Because it's being recorded, yeah? It's a, I'll tell you what, some of the best conversations I've ever had is with this man. I'll tell you one thing now, I swear to God, think about it. You are made of stars.
Stardust. We all are. Everything.
Fucking man.
And you know what as well?
Go on.
One of the most densest things that we're made of is iron, right? Your blood is full of iron.
Yeah.
That means that the star must have been fucking enormous. To be that big,
what colour? What colour
red.
is? No, it's not. It's blue.
What, the biggest stars?
Yeah.
Blue.
Blue giants.
Yeah. Sorry, I didn't listen to that.
Yeah, I know you knew that. That's why. And basically, what happens?
That's because they're that
because
hot.
they're so hot and that large.
They burn quick.
They burn quick. Boom. And that's why we're lucky. Our sun, because it's so small for a star, burns the longest. And that's why, well, it all depends on us now, doesn't it? Whether or not we're going to keep this fucking planet proper, or whether or not we're going to fuck it up.
Me and Peter, right? We've had a couple of good videos tonight. This is probably our most boring video we've ever made in our entire lives. This is probably the most boring video.
But it's probably the most informative.
I like to say as well, our sun is actually called a yellow dwarf. It's pretty small. You do get other ones called red dwarfs, which will burn. They've been burning since the dawn of time, and they will keep on burning for another, I don't know, 50 billion years. The universe is 13.7 billion years old, which is 13,000 million years old. So it's almost as old as my mum. But
I'll leave you sleep with this. Imagine that's a pinhead. There we go. A pinhead. Yeah.
it's actually
That there in a split in basically was it? It was fucking not even a second.
Are you talking about inflation?
Yeah, not even a second. The Big Bang went from a pinhead to the size of fucking what was it? The size of our galaxy, just our galaxy, in a space of seconds. Yeah, and then just expanded at such tremendous speed. Get your head behind that.
I would like
Get your
I'd like to
fucking
correct
head
him.
back.
I would like to correct him and get into like figures, but I'm not gonna.
No, I don't, because I was near enough around the mark.
You got the kind of gist of it, but it was actually much bigger than that. You know what? There is
There is other dimensions though.
There is a rule which says that you cannot accelerate to the speed of light, which is 186,000 miles a second or 300,000 kilometers a second.
Who proved it?
Albert Einstein.
Did he? What? He went in a spaceship and went to try and go that speed, and then like he hit that mark and went, no, can't. Do you know what? Even though it says it goes to 100,000 million fucking whatever, like it just won't go over that little bit.
Yeah, but you got
Open
something
mind
called relative.
Whoa. Open mind. Open mind, mate.
Open mind.
Yeah. He went, yeah, get a knife, I'll open your mind up.
I think they just.
Here we go. Right, look, we're going to love you and leave you with it. Say goodbye.
That's a La Pasta, baby.
Hasta lasagna, don't get any on ya.